Harder than I expected.
Hi everyone, I'm back today with another revisit of an old My TV workout. Today's workout that I'm going to be doing is, I had a choice of two this week because it's part of the 30-day challenge and there's two choices, and I chose the one that's like the death one, of course. I was attracted to it because there's a specific strength section and it allows you to go a little bit heavier with some things, and it's not timed, so you're set repetitions and it's only 2 sets. So I'm thinking that was what it sort of decided it for me, but the rest of the workout I'm like, oh, why did I do this? Because the other choice was like a body weight only kind of leg exercise or leg workout, so I may regret this probably halfway through. This one is called Up Your Game Today, and it's a kettlebells and body weight workout. Of course, there's 3 sections in it. There's a section in strength. There's a section which at the time in 2010 I think I had labeled this as resistance, but technically it's kind of all resistance and it's using weight, but I would class this now as more of metabolic conditioning. Same for the 3rd section, although it's maybe more cardio because it's a longer interval of time you're actually working for. So let's stick to the Metcon as section 2, and the section 3 is like cardio death essentially, because you have to work for a minute and you're only resting for 30 seconds, but you can obviously increase that if you need to. Yeah, everything else is on the written workout breakdown. I'm going to get warmed up here, make a start, and I'll see you at the end.
Harder than I expected.
well today. So sluggish today. I'm done with that one. I am pretty exhausted. It's always the opposite way, so if you think you're going to be doing like, you're going to be rubbish, you always pull off like a pretty amazing workout, or you feel like it was the best workout of the month. Today I thought I was ambitious, thinking I could press 20. I actually have pressed 20 by 5 in the gym, but today, for whatever reason, that wasn't happening. As you saw, I was able to do push presses to make up for the reps that I didn't do with the straight press with the 20, and then I went down to the 14s for the double presses for the 5 reps. And if I had the 216s, doing the doubles of 5 reps probably would have been better, because the 14s were a little bit too easy. I probably should have done more reps, but you know what, I just decided then after that, the feeling of that first set, even the sumo deadlifts were not feeling great today. So sometimes you think you're going to be good at something and you think it's going to go well and it doesn't, and it's kind of like, damn it. But I think that's just the way it goes sometimes, and that's the goal, to keep moving, doing this once a week. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did it, or if you're going to do it, enjoy. Take your time, change the intervals, plan in your alternative exercises in advance so you know what you're going to do if something doesn't kind of go to plan. Then let me know how you get on 10 years later, and I will see you next time.